Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you our Python IDE in Codio. Now, what we're looking at is a 3-panel layout. So in the top right corner is your Python playground. This is where you're going to be doing all of your coding. You're going to type it right into here. In the bottom window over here, this is your terminal window. This is where the output is going to be displayed on what the code is running. And then on the left-hand side of the screen, this is where the student assignment is going to be. This is where you're going to read the assignment, you're going to follow the instructions, and then you'll always come along a blue run code button. This is the button you're going to hit to run the code. So you see if I click the blue run code button, it runs the code that I have up here, which is print an input statement asking for your name. So it says enter your name. And I can enter my name into the terminal window. Now, the cool thing about our Python IDE is that it has a feature called Code Playback. So as I'm typing over here, you'll notice that I'm going to type in enter your age. I make a little mistake. I'm going to delete those S's. Okay, and then I'm going to come back to my run code button on the left-hand side of the screen and run my program again. So now it asks for my name, and then it asks for my age. So I'm typing code over here in the top right. Now let me add another print statement, and we're going to say, thank you. Okay, and I come back over here, and I can run it again. All right, so this is how you're going to navigate our 3-panel layout here in our Python IDE. Now, our code playback feature allows you to watch the code that was being typed. So I come up to my Python Playground tab over here, I right-click on it, and now I can choose Code Playback, and I can watch the code that I just typed. So by clicking on the play button, you could see there's the code I was typing, and it even crosses out when I made a mistake. So this is a really helpful tool if you're working with another student on a project and they got done with it and now it's your turn to work on it. You can go back and see what they coded and where their mistakes was and what they struggled on. So this is one of our really nice features. Another nice feature is that you can adjust the layout. So in the top left corner over here, if I hit the collapse button, it collapses down the screen. So now I can just type all my code in the playground on the top and watch my output here in the terminal window on the bottom. By clicking over here, I can expand the collapsed side of the screen. And I can also adjust this as well. If I wanted a little more space to type and my terminal window smaller, I can go like that. If I really want a little bit more space, I can drag the screen over here as well. So this is what you'll be using to code in Python in Codio. I hope you enjoy it and keep on coding.